Episode 1, new bike build. This is the beginning of the series. I'm going to build a new bike from ground up, custom frame. This is the beginning of it. I'm going to show you what I bought, and it will be fun. So this was delivered today. This is what I got. Came in a Banshee box, but it's not a Banshee. Stick around and let's see what we got. As I said, this will be a build, a whole series. This is the beginning of it. This is the very beginning right here. Clue number 1. So as I said, I did buy it used off of Pink Bike. Pink Bike, great source, find good people with good parts. This came off of Pink Bike, and can you tell what it is yet? I didn't think so. So it's packaged pretty well, it looks like. Lots of bubble wrap. Let's just get to the good stuff. Okay, and the grand reveal. It is a Intense Tracer Carbon 275. It is a 2016 Intense Tracer. Carbon fiber, front, rear. I will document start to finish. I'm looking forward to this build. Should be a lot of fun. It's in good shape. It is used, so it does have some nicks and whatnot on it, but that's going to be resolved. This is going to be, as I said before, a total custom build. Paint, everything. Total disassembly, which I'm going to document. You'll see that. Total documentary of